design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked up at your ceiling and wondered if there was something more beyond it? For many homeowners, the attic is nothing more than a place for dusty boxes and old holiday decorations. But what if I told you that the most charming, quiet, and valuable room in your house is currently hiding right above your head? Today, we are diving deep into the world of attic bedroom design. Whether you're dealing with steep, sloped ceilings, narrow corners, or limited light, we're going to show you how to turn that awkward bonus space into the crown jewel of your home. When we talk about attic bedroom design, we aren't just talking about putting a mattress on the floor of a loft. This specific niche of interior design focuses on the architectural adaptation of the space directly under the roof of a house. It is the art of working with rather than against non-traditional structural elements. This includes navigating knee walls, managing exposed rafters, and utilizing the unique pitch of the roofline. An attic bedroom design is defined by its intimacy and its detachment from the rest of the house, creating a nest-like atmosphere that feels private, and tucked away from the hustle and bustle of daily life downstairs. The benefits of converting your attic into a bedroom go far beyond just adding an extra place to sleep. First and foremost, it is one of the most effective ways to increase your home's square footage and overall property value without the massive cost of a traditional ground floor extension. Beyond the financial gain, attic bedrooms offer a level of privacy that you simply cannot find elsewhere in the home, since they are physically separated by a flight of stairs and located away from the kitchen and living areas. They serve as the perfect quiet retreat for a master suite, a guest room, or a teenager's hideaway. Additionally, the unique architecture of an attic, such as skylights that offer views of the stars and the natural charm of slanted walls, provides a built-in character that standard rectangular bedrooms often lack. It's a space that feels inherently cozy and romantic, providing a sense of sanctuary that can significantly improve your quality of rest. Decorating an attic bedroom requires a strategic approach to ensure the space feels airy rather than cramped. The most important rule is to embrace the monochrome or low-contrast look. By painting the walls and the slanted ceilings the same light color, like a soft white, cream, or pale gray, blur the lines where the walls end and the ceiling begins, making the room feel much larger. To deal with the unique angles, I recommend investing in custom-built cabinetry that fits perfectly into the eaves, as standard wardrobes will often look bulky and out of place. Lighting is another game changer, because attics can sometimes feel dark. You should layer your lighting with recessed ceiling lights, wall sconces, and perhaps a statement pendant if height allows. Don't forget to highlight the floor. The ceilings are low. A beautiful plush rug or light wood flooring can draw the eye downward and ground the room. Finally, lean into the cozy factor by using low-profile furniture like a platform bed, which leaves more vertical space and prevents the room from feeling crowded. When it comes to choosing a style, certain aesthetics thrive under a sloped roof. The Scandinavian style is perhaps the most popular for attics because its focus on minimalism. Light woods and white walls helps combat the claustrophobia of small spaces. If you have exposed wooden beams, the modern rustic or farmhouse style is a fantastic choice. You can leave the timber raw to add warmth and history to the room while keeping the bedding crisp and modern. For those with a more city vibe, the industrial style works wonders, especially if your attic features brickwork or metal pipes. You can use dark accents and leather textures to create a moody, sophisticated loft feel. Lastly, the bohemian style is a natural fit for attics. The quirky corners are perfect for hanging plants, floor pillows, and macrame wall hangings, turning the architectural flaws of the attic into intentional, artistic features. Transforming an attic is a journey of seeing potential where others see storage, It's about taking those awkward angles and turning them into a design statement that is uniquely yours. With the right light, a smart layout, and a style that speaks to your personality, your attic can become the most sought after room in the house. It's not just about adding a room. It's about elevating your lifestyle and making the most of every inch of your home. If you enjoyed these attic design tips, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more home inspiration from Interior Decor Designs. We want to hear from you which of these styles was your favorite. Or do you have a tricky attic space you're currently trying to figure out? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.